Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for blogging. First, select a hosting provider and a unique domain name for your blog. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup straightforward. Once installed, log into your WordPress dashboard. This central hub is where you will manage all aspects of your blog, from creating new posts to customizing its appearance. It's the foundation for your online presence. Now let's create your first blog post. From your dashboard, go to Posts and click Add New. Here, you'll craft your content. Start with a captivating title, then write your main text. Remember to break up long paragraphs and use headings for readability. You can easily embed images, videos, and assign categories or tags to help readers find your articles. Personalizing your blog's appearance is crucial for standing out. WordPress offers thousands of themes, both free and premium, to suit any style. Go to Appearance, then Themes to browse and activate one. After choosing, use the customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also add widgets to your sidebars or footer, enhancing navigation and user experience. To truly elevate your blog, consider essential plugins. These tools can boost security, improve performance, and aid in search engine optimization, or SEO. For example, an SEO plugin helps you optimize post titles and descriptions with relevant keywords, making your content more discoverable. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to maintain a secure and efficient blogging platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.